Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lure and tame the animals in Hytale step by step. Now this is perfect if you want pets, farm animals and just want animals to follow you back to your base. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So taming in Hytale is simple once you understand one important thing, which is most animals follow food. So first of all, you need to locate the animal that you want to tame. You will usually find the animals in one open areas like plains, forests or near the water. So before doing anything, you need to make sure that the area is safe because some mobs can interrupt the tame. Now, in order to lure the animals, you will need to hold the food that they like. So, the basic rule here would be herbivores animals usually follow the plants and the crops, and the meat based animals may follow the meat or the fish. So, you need to carry a few food items with you before you go hunting for animals. Now, from the equipments, you need to equip the food in your hand and walk close. If the animal is interested, it will start following you slowly. Now, don't sprint too far, just walk and lead it back. So, once it reaches to your base, you need to quickly trap it using the fences or two simple blocks, high enclosure. This is important because some animals will wander off if you don't secure them. So, now you need to feed the animal multiple times. Most of the animals won't tame in one feed, so you will need a few tries. Once it is tamed, you will notice that it behaves differently and won't run away like before. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.